stalled cold front across our area has led to showers and storms yesterday evening, and we're anticipating more rain in the forecast for later today. This cold front is currently producing some rainfall off towards the west, especially into portions of Texas that already been dealing with massive flooding. Right now through our area, pretty quiet. Some lingering cloud cover, a few spotty showers possible throughout the morning. It's not until much later this afternoon and evening that we'll be upping those rain chances and likely tracking the scattered activity across Kentuckiana. Rain chances go up to about 40%. So it's not a guarantee for rainfall by any means, but we've got that possibility, especially for the later evening hours. Rain chances do stay with us into this upcoming week, but drop down slightly to about 30% by Monday and Tuesday. When it comes to the storms today, it will also bring a low end risk for severe weather. A couple storms yesterday managed to produce some very gusty winds, and that's what we're going to be looking out for with storms again later this evening. So isolated storms that could produce gusty, maybe even damaging winds, in addition to very heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. That severe weather threat is mainly through the Louisville area and then out towards the west and the north. These storms will be weakening as push in simply because of the timing. They'll be coming in later this evening, so they're weakening as they make their way down towards the southeast. Here's how it plays out on our future cast. Most of the day today actually stays dry and nice. Yes, it is going to be hot though. Temperatures will heat up quickly. We'll be into the mid 80s by lunchtime with highs into the low 90s. By 5 or 6 o'clock, there should be storms off towards the west that we will be watching. So a little bit of a later start today than the storms from yesterday. These will continue to push down towards the east, again bringing periods of very heavy rainfall as we get closer to the sunset. We'll keep that risk for some stronger storms even close to midnight, but notice how these storms on this particular forecast model kind of fall apart as they make their way off towards the east. That could be the case, so especially down towards the south and for those far eastern counties, our rainfall chances are lower and our severe weather threat is lower as well. Anything that it does manage to develop will make its way eastward and clear out by the time the sun rises on Monday. We'll be left with cloud cover, perhaps a couple spotty showers, and a low-end rain chance that will take us into this upcoming week. I mentioned the heat, and yes, temperatures will be pretty hot. We'll run a couple degrees above average when it comes to highs. We're talking upper 80s as well as low 90s, but as that rainfall moves in, temperatures could pretty quickly drop. You also have to think about the humidity. Yes, it's only upper 80s, low 90s, but when you factor in just how muggy it is outside, it will actually feel more like the mid to maybe even upper 90s in some spots. We're not getting rid of the heat either. There will be a small drop in temperatures as our cold front passes for tomorrow, but we'll rebound back into the low to even mid 90s as we make our way into this upcoming week. Already this month has been a hot one nearly every day so far in the month of July. Our afternoon high temperatures have been above average, and we're going to keep that pattern going as we make our way into this upcoming week. 7-day forecast doesn't really change all that much from day to day. Some days look more promising than others when it comes to rainfall, but rain chances range from 30 to 60% with highs staying in the low to mid 90s.